triple integrals. Today we will discuss another problem on triple integrals. Triple integral. So today's problem, evaluate triple integral x y square z dx dy dz taken over the positive octant of the sphere x square plus y square plus z square equals to a square. So now we will evaluate this triple integral over this volume. What is the given volume? Observe, this is x-axis, this is y-axis, this is z-axis. Positive octant of the three-dimensional geometry is nothing but the region between xy plane, yz plane and zx plane. The region between the three planes, xy plane, yz plane and the zx plane. Xy plane is the lower portion, yz plane is this side, xz is this one. The region between these three planes. So, positive octant of sphere. Now draw the diagram of a sphere. Okay. This is the upper part of the sphere. Now, positive octant of the sphere. So, this shaded region is our volume. So, 1/4 of the, if you observe, if you take an orange, take 1/4 of the orange, that one is our volume. So, take an orange and cut in vertical direction and horizontal direction. Now take the fourth piece, that fourth piece is this one. Now, what are the limits of this volume? This is a three-dimensional geometry. So if you observe, our limits starts from 0, 0, 0 only. So triple integral x y square z square dx dy dz over the volume V equals to first z limits. Okay, now I will take z limits, then I will take y limits, then I will take x limits. Z limits along y-axis. Observe, along y-axis, lower curve is, lower plane is in three-dimensional geometry. First, lower plane is xz plane. In xz plane, z equals to 0. And now up to this spherical surface is from the sphere equation, z equals to square root of a square minus x square minus y square. So z limits, lower portion is lower plane is z equals to 0, xy plane, nothing but xy plane, z equals to 0 to upper plane is, upper surface is z equals to square root of a square minus x square minus y, which is came from the sphere equation. Now z limits 0 to a square minus x square minus y square x into y square z dz dy dx. Okay. Now for y limits, very simple methodology. So put z equals to 0 in this expression. What happened on the circle equation, which is in two-dimensional geometry, circle in xy plane. Now observe the circle equation. Along y-axis means from this point to this one, this point to this one. So this is nothing but in xy plane, y equals to 0. This is y equals to 0 to here. This curve is from this one, y equals to square root of a square minus x square, a square minus x square. Y limits 0 to, y is 0 to root over a square minus x square. Then after that, remove y variable. What happened? Y square equals to a square along x-axis. From this point is 0. This point is radius is a 0, 0, x equals to 0 to a. Very simple technique. I will explain the instead of this diagram. I will explain the simple technique. X square plus y square plus z square plus z square equals to a square. In first octant, all lower limits are zeros. X is 0, y is 0, z is 0. Now for upper limits, from this one, what is z? Z equals to root over a square minus x square minus y square. Our volume in only positive octant to take only positive sense. Z is upper limit is this one. Now for finding the y limits, very simple. In this equation, remove z. Then what is y value? Y equals to root of a square minus x square. Now this is the upper limit. For finding the x limit, remove y. X square equals to a square, x equals to a, upper limit is a. Now this is a simple methodology for finding the limits of triple integral. Now we will evaluate with respect to z, then with respect to y, then with respect to x. So now we will integrate with respect to z, other variables and the x, y are treated as constant, then integrate with respect to y, then integrate with respect to x. Now what is the integral value? Integral with respect to z, integral z equals to z square by 2. X is 0 to a, y is 0 to root over a square minus x square, x into y square into z square by 2, z limit 0 to root over a square minus x square minus y square dy dx. Now put z equals to square root of this one, then z equals to 0. You will get x is 0 to a, y is 0 to root over a square minus x square, here 1 by 2 is common term, x into y square into z square. If you replace that by the square root of this one, whole square is nothing but a square minus x square minus y square dy dx. Now integrate with respect to x, then integrate with respect to x, with respect to y and with respect to x. Now continuation. 1 by 2 times of integral x is 0 to a. Now integrate. Now first we will multiply. Y is 0 to root over a square minus x square, x into multiplying with y square, a square minus x square into y square, y square into y square, y power 4 dy dx. Multiplying with y square into a square minus x square minus y square into y square, y power 4. Now integrating with respect to y. 1 by 2 times of integral x is 0 to a, integration with respect to y. X is constant, a square minus x square is also constant, y square integration is y cube by 3, y power 4 integration is y power 5 by 5. Now 0 to square root of a square minus x square dx. Now substitute, put y equals to root over a square minus x square, then y equals to 0, then what happened? Integral x is 0 to a, x into a square minus x square, y is this one, a square minus x square whole power 1 by 2 whole cube, that is 3 by 2 by 3 minus here a square minus x square whole power 1 by 2 whole power 5 by 2 by 5. If you put y equals to 0, this is 0, this is 0. Now observe, a square minus x square whole power 1 whole power 3 by 2, 1 plus 3 by 2 is 5 by 2. So this term is same as this term. 1 by 2 times of x is 0 to a, x into a square minus x square whole power 5 by 2 times of, here constant term is 1 by 3, here constant term is 1 by 5 dx. Now 1 by 3 minus 1 by 5 is 5 minus 3 by 15, that is 2 by 15, 1 by 2 into 2 by 15. Now x is 0 to a, x into a square minus x square whole power 5 by 2 dx. Now for integrating with respect to x, put x equals, now observe, a square minus x square equals to some t. If you put a square minus x square equals to t, minus 2x dx equals to dt. Now this is x dx equals to minus dt by 2. Now this becomes, now observe, this integral becomes integral x into dx is minus dt by 2, and this term is t power 5 by 2. Now t power 5 by 2 integral value is t power 5 by 2 plus 1 by 5 by 2 plus 1, that is 1 by 15 times of t. Integral value is t power 7 by 2 by 7 by 2, that is 2 by 7 times of t. A square minus x square whole power 7 by 2, limit 0 to a, with negative sign. With negative sign. Put x equals to a square minus a square is 0. Now this is 2 into 15 by 2 by 15 into 7 times of. If you put x equals to a square minus a square is 0. Minus or minus plus. If you put x equals to 0, a square whole power 7 by 2. If you simplify, I will write here. I will write here. Here, observe, divided by 2 is there. So we have 1 more 1 by 2 into 2. These two cancel. 1 by 105 times of. If you put, already substituted, x equals to a and x equals to 0, a square whole power 7 by 2, that is 2 cancel, a power 7 by 105. So this is the solution. So we will discuss another problem in the next session.